Hey everyone, Allie here, and this morning I'm going to walk you all through making delicious avocado fudge balls. So this is a two-part process. We first have to mix the batter, and then we have to let it set in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. So I will check back. We'll have a two-part video after we refrigerate the avocado balls, So come on over, check this out. I have all of our ingredients. It's a very simple recipe. So we have coconut cream. One of the things I want to mention with this is it does separate when it's sitting in the can. So when you do open this, just take a fork, mix it up. Also, before you do open it, just shake it up and then just measure it out with a measuring cup. So I have cream of coconut. We have maple syrup, vanilla extract, 2 avocados, pitted and skinned. So with this, guys, this is just a little tip here. I actually just knife this in and cubed it so it's really easy to come out. You really want to make sure your avocados are ripe enough, so you want them to be soft to the touch, so when you open them and they have a nice delicious flavor and texture. So let's go ahead and mix this up. Oh, say hi to Mambo too. He always gets very curious when Mama's making something in the Vitamix. Say hi, Mambo. Okay, so check this out. We're gonna first start with our coconut cream. So we got a 1/2 cup here. And again, your Vitamix, it has measurements all along the side here. Cups, ounces, milliliters, so it's really easy to eye this up. You don't have to use a measuring cup. You can just use your Vitamix container. Again, I just prepped this all just to make a nice quick video for you guys. And then we got 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, my favorite. So we're just gonna go ahead and measure this out. Here's 1. And 2 and 3. Oh, love maple syrup. Nice and fresh. And I do work for the Canadian team, so I'm always a big fan of maple. Then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to modify this a little bit. I'm a vanilla fanatic, so I'm actually going to do 1/2 tablespoon just to make it a little extra vanilla. So we'll pop that right in. And then again, we're using 2 avocados. Nice and ripe. We're just gonna pop these right in here. Oh, this looks awesome. And then just a little tip, I'm gonna just chop up an avocado for you real quick. So this is how I do it. You wanna make sure that pit comes out. So again, just to make this really easy and make sure we're not missing any of the meat inside the avocado, I just quarter this up a little bit. And so it really comes out nice and easy when I take the avocado out. Perfect. And then this is always a fun trick. I don't recommend this unless you're good with a knife, but we just do this to take out our avocado pit. And then again, let's just dice this up nice. Make sure we get all the skin or the meat inside nice and loose. And we'll just pop this right in our Vitamix. I don't like to waste anything, so I always keep the tops too. We'll put those right in, along with, we drop the little bit of the top in. I don't want any of that skin. Doesn't really leave a good taste. All right, pop that. And then really simple, guys, we're just gonna take out our tamper stick, make sure we get all the ingredients. You always wanna wake your Vitamix up. Again, I'm using the Vitamix A3500 here, so we're gonna start on 1, hit start. Use our tamper stick just to get everything down to the blade. Then we're gonna slowly crank this up to 10. Nice and blended. Check that out. Let me just get this open. We got a nice, delicious mixed avocado meat for our delicious Fudge avocado balls. Now, again, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a 2-step process. So we're just gonna take this out. Get one of my nice spatulas here, and just get a square or rectangle container to put this in. And what you want to do just take this all out and let it set. So we want to get this nice and cold. And then later on, when I take this out of the refrigerator, we will mix it with some fudge. It's gonna be delicious. Okay. All right, everyone, I'm gonna make sure I get every last bit out, but check back. I will have another video in just a minute here, or just a minute, in just a few hours with our set batter. So talk to you soon. And we're back. So come on over, everybody. I did melt my chocolate chips. I'm gonna be honest, I ran out of chocolate. So in this family, we're all about improvising. So I actually have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. It's gonna be just as good. You can see here, it's a little bit of a messy process, but I scooped out all the avocado balls, and I gotta tell you, I lick this clean. It is so good. I cannot wait to share this with family and friends. What I'm gonna do now is just dress these up, do the finale with a little bit of this chocolate syrup. And then I did, you know what? I said this was a 2-part process. It's actually a 3-part process. So now that we got the chocolate on top, on board, what I'm gonna do now is just take these avocado balls. We're gonna pop them right back into the freezer. We're gonna let the chocolate set and harden. And in about 1 hour, I'm gonna tear those apart. So thank you so much for watching. Again, my name's Allie, and I just made avocado fudge balls, and they are delicious. So enjoy, everybody.